Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be painting some Goblin Warriors from Massive Darkness, originally from the first one. But we're actually not going to be painting them, we're just going to be shading them because we're going to test the washes that are in the new Warpaints Fanatics. And we're starting off with some of the older ones that came out originally. The light tone is the first one. And as you can see, it has a nice little pink effect. But however, I do have to say one thing about it is that it leaks off very quickly. Alright, it's the one that like it dribbles off kind of thing. I'll explain that after. Soft tone is next. As you can see, nice, covers really well on top of the white primer. These were all primed in white, and this one is very good, covers really nicely, gets into all the recesses. Dark tone is our next one. Does a perfect job of actually getting into the recesses, doesn't pool too much, doesn't wipe off, like it doesn't like fall down, doesn't like leak off kind of thing. That's what I want to explain about the light tone after. You can see here, beautiful coverage. Using speed paints on top of this after is just amazing. Next one is strong tone. This one also is an oldie but a goodie. Again, has a little bit more of a dark tone to it, a little bit more brownish hue to it, less orangey, less pink. Very good tone. Wash works really well. Not as goopy as the older ones used to be. Alright, now we're moving on to some of the newer ones, which is the first one is going to be Sepia tone. This is very yellow. But works really well. There's a really good coverage on the miniature, especially again on white primer. I mean, this is why I'm testing it, just so you guys know what it gives in the end, not so that like you see on the colors on top of something. As you can see, when it dries, it's got all the recesses. You can see all the details. Really great. The next one, which is a new one, is rust tone. Yeah, I know it's kind of weird to put it on an entire miniature, but you know what? It makes these goblins look really cool. And eventually you'll see the finished products on my Instagram or on my new Facebook page. The link is in the description now. You can go take a look at that, and you can talk there if you want and talk with others, share your work. Now, this is a weird one as well. Orange tone. This is new. I don't know why they went with an orange tone. I guess maybe people were asking for it or something, because there is an orange one on Citadel. But anyways, it's really cool. It really goes on well. It does a good job. All right, so here we go. We're going to go through them all here quickly. But what I want to do is mostly talk about that first one, the light tone. I just want to say quickly that what it does is, as you're putting it on, it keeps leaking. Like it keeps going down to the bottom of the miniature, and it was pooling up on the base. So I found that kind of odd, and I didn't even water it down. My brush wasn't even that wet. I just you know, rinsed it off a bit. But I did that for all the washes, the same routine, and that one was the weirdest one for that. The rest all get a good thumbs up. I haven't tried every single wash, because there is like a magenta wash now, and there's a dark red wash. But those will show up eventually in some of my painting videos. Anyways, I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to hit that like button, comment, and subscribe, folks. I know a lot of you are just watching my videos. It's free to subscribe. Like I said, go check out my new Facebook page. Follow it, like it, and you can post your pictures there. You can have all sorts of fun. You can comment on stuff I do. Anyways, again, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you all in the next one.